Hi everyone! I want to introduce you to Évelyn. Look how
Hi.
beautiful Évelyn is! Thank you so much for coming.
Thank
First
you
of
for
all,
you.
we have quite an interesting way of meeting. I wanted to buy shoes. I went to Chanel. She recognized me from the videos, and then we started talking. I saw that you were very interested in
Yes.
makeup.
Yes.
Your lipstick was amazing. Don't stop
Don't stop.
from NARS.
Yes,
I
exactly.
cannot forget that. And so you told me that you want to learn how to do the very straight
Highlight.
eyeliner.
Yeah.
This is what we're going to do today. We're going to do a straight eyeliner and the makeup as usual, because I am pretty much well known for my very, very simple makeup looks that people can actually apply on a regular basis.
Routine. Yes.
Yeah, in their normal routine. So basically, that's what I want to do with you. I want to create a makeup look that you can create at home, maybe for work.
Yes.
You know?
Of course.
So let's get into it. As usual, I always start with micellar water from Bioderma. This is a must, always. So we're gonna cleanse the skin. Do a quick swipe. She doesn't have anything on the skin, but just to make sure. I will use a full routine from Barbara Store. So, vitamin B, niacinamide. This is a great serum if you have imperfections or if you have dark spots, acne. It's really great. Not that you have anything, but it's great to also prevent. Your skin absorbed everything like
Yes.
right away. On you, I'm going to use the Dr. Barbara Sturm Glow Drops only because this is a very, very light moisturizer. And I think that's what you need. I don't think you need a crazy amount of hydration because your skin seems to be normal. It gets a little bit oily, right? Throughout the day.
Yes, little bit.
Of course, we're going to use some eye cream. This is also Barbara Store. Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury in the color 6.5. I use it exactly in the highest points of the face where I want the skin to have a beautiful shine. And I'm going to spread it with my fingers. The foundation that I'm going to use is going to be Pat McGrath, but I will be mixing Deep 35 with Deep 29 with this sponge. This is from Makeup Forever. I love your hair.
Thank you.
It's so bold.
Before I have no hair,
You shaved your head?
Yes, and I need to change. And I love the Grace Jones.
Ah, yes, of course.
So
It's very
it's
Grace
my
Jones, yeah.
inspiration. So
Now we're going to use concealer, and I really like the Tarte one. We're going to use the color Rich. And I'm also going to use the concealer around the mouth. Now with the Morphe M335 brush, I'm gonna spread everything. This is gorgeous. I love it. Huda Beauty Tantour in tan. And this is a Fenty Beauty foundation brush in 110. This is super intense. So I'm going to take the excess off my hand. Just sculpt the jawline. I love that. Can you guys believe? Can I say this?
50.
Can you guys say,
50.
babe, do you understand that she's 50? Like how? How? For how long you said you've been working for Chanel?
20 years.
Wow.
Mm.
Do you like working for them?
Yes, of course.
I mean, of course. Chanel. It's Chanel.
No,
Everyone
no,
wants Chanel.
It's
No, actually, I do have quite a lot of friends who were working or currently are working for Chanel, and they said that it's almost like a family.
Yes,
and they
it's true.
treat you so nice.
Yeah, it's true.
I'm gonna take a smaller brush and I will contour the nose slightly.
Mm.
You
I love this.
do that too?
Yes, but I think we don't have the good tools, you know.
You need to practice. You
Yes.
said you're doing your makeup every morning.
Every morning.
That's your thing.
Mm.
Like you love doing your makeup.
It's my moment, you know. It's
every woman that I know that loves makeup tells me the same thing. Like
it's my moment.
It's when
Yes,
yeah,
exactly.
How much it takes you to do your makeup in the morning? 20 minutes?
Yes.
Oh wow, that's quite.
Yeah, 20 minutes.
That's quite a time. Huh? You're not playing, huh?
20 minutes, you know.
You're not playing. It's like I'm serious with my makeup.
Yes.
I'm gonna be using this Huda Beauty Cream Blush. This is in the color Baddie Berry. When I posted you on Instagram,
yes,
you know, so many people told me, "Oh my God, she's so beautiful."
Thank you.
But it's true. And you have a contagious smile. So happy that now we're not wearing the mask.
Yeah.
I love blush. I feel like it brings life to the face. Now we're going to use powder, and I'll be using this Huda Beauty. This is in the color Cinnamon Bun. I prefer to take it with a little puff.
Okay.
A little puff like this. And then first thing that I do is making sure that the concealer didn't crease, because once it creased and you apply powder, that's it. It looks horrible.
Yeah.
So I'm taking the powder and slightly pressing it into the skin like so. And I don't know if you can see how immediately, look at this, ça flûte, tu vois? So first I like to make sure that I am setting the concealer in place. Ooh, baby Eden is in the house. I always make sure that I set the center of the face with powder and with a powder puff, because the powder puff is really making a difference. You're going to press every single product that you've used and everything will stay in place. I take more powder and I gently go over the whole face. I'm going to mix actually two colors. This is so nice. I love it. It's the color Kir from Laura Mercier. Mix it with just a pinch of this sangria. And the blush, I always like to take it in the brow bone as well. I think it creates such a nice effect. I'm going to use this palette. I have this palette and it's like my holy grail when it comes to eyebrows. And I'll use chocolate on her. So I'll start with a dark side and use this Anastasia Beverly Hills number 12 brush and literally stamp my way. Okay, this is Glossier Brow Flick in the color Blonde. Super warm. And I don't like to use black or super dark color when it comes to eyebrows. I feel like you have to use something that's a little bit more warm in order to actually look good on the skin. I'll take a flat brush and a little bit of concealer and I will apply it right under the eyebrows just to clean up this space. Okay, so Évelyn loves a darker eye, and we agree that purplish shades are looking good on her. So I'm going to start by applying this cream eyeshadow. This one is from Elise Foss in the color E114, all over the eyelid. Then with a Rephr 32 brush, I come and I blend everything. I love this brush, especially for this step. And in order to elongate the look, I just pull the eyeshadow towards the eyebrow. I'm going to take this eyeshadow palette from Norvina. This is for all of you purple lovers. It's just fantastic. I love it. And I will mix these two colors. Once you start to really blend it, it has like a very, very nice finish. If you want to do the eyeliner and make it more straight, you have to look straight in the mirror. And here I suggest you to figure out like how long you want your you want your eyeliner to be. So I will put a little dot in here, and then I will also put a little dot in here where you have the little folds. I do a straight line. Okay. And then from here, I turn towards the end of the eye, like so. And from here, again, I go towards the eye. And now I connect this part right here with the center of the eyelid. Okay. And this is how you get a more straight eyeliner, because of course you could do it, you know, a little bit more like going down and up, but she wanted to know how to do the straight one. So now I'm going to apply some mascara. I was asking Évelyn how does she feel about false lashes, and she was like, no, that's not for me. Too hard to apply them, and like, no. So I'm like, okay. Oh, I forgot to show the same blush that I've applied on her in Sangria. Okay, I did a little bit on the center of the eyelids. You know, just for a little something because I mean, I know that she loves a matte dark eye, but I feel like this is just a little pinch of something. It's not like too shimmery. For the lips, I'm using this lip liner on Ice. It's the color from Colourpop. Evelyn loves a good dark lipstick. She just told me like sometimes I wear black, which is so nice and so bold. And chic, really chic on you. I'm gonna use this Fenty Beauty Underdog and we'll be applying it with a brush. Oh yeah. I'm going to apply this lipstick on top. This is from Huda Beauty in Masquerade. I think it's a little bit too light. I want it to be a bit darker on her. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're talking. This is more like your style, right?
Yes, absolutely.
I'm going to add just a little bit more blush and go one more time on the skin. Et voilà! Now you know, Évelyn, how to do your eyeliner. Ouais, c'est ça.
It's incredible.
J'adore.
Oh là là, même ça. Oh, mais comment je vais faire ça? C'est super. Enfin, tout est... Oh là là,
au début, je m'en doutais.
Mais là, c'est canon, quoi. C'est super beau. C'est canon. Il faut prendre une photo, boublon.
Bah, on va faire plein de photos maintenant.
Mais c'est sublime. C'est dingue. Même les couleurs, j'adore le mix. Ce foncé avec ce purple. Les sourcils, ils sont... Waouh.
You guys, thank you so much for watching. Évelyn was wonderful, and I'm so excited that you came in here. Thank you so much, and I'll come visit you at the Chanel store for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you guys in my next one. Bye.